Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I just received my box. This one's a little heavy, and this is from Confetti Collection. And I haven't even slit the tape on this one, so I will do that right now. I will give you a little information on this box. It is a bi-monthly, pretty much like a lifestyle box. Each box includes 8+ coordinated giftables, stationery, and fun novelties. $19.99 bi-monthly, and I've received this now for almost a year, I do believe. Pretty close to it. It's always well packaged. This box open. And like I said, always well packaged. You can see a little sneak peek there. I've never ever received anything damaged. It's like I said, they do take pride in their packaging. And once you can get this little plastic back, then everything is bundled up in tissue paper, and that's what it looks like. So I'll get all this stuff out if I can. Oh, it's heavy. Let me see if I can do this. Turn it sideways just for a second here to see if I can grab this without getting all these squigglies all over the place. This is bulky and heavy, so I'll put that there. And this box is great for storage, or if you have excess makeup or skincare and you don't have room for it, you can put it all in a box like this and, just put it away, or, like I said, great storage. So we'll put that back there as a little bit of like a backdrop. Why not? So this is the actual bundle right here. It's, like I said, nicely packaged. So we're just going to get right into this and see what kind of Confetti Collection has to offer. This is the December-January box. The last two boxes for me arriving a little bit late, but as long as they get here, that's all that matters. December was the last box, which was October and November, was very late, and I was actually concerned, like, where is it? Am I getting it? But like I said, it eventually came. And this is Desk to Impress. It's their little card, and I don't believe their card has any other information just about their box, which is okay, so we'll stick that there too. And everything is in plastic, so let's get this all opened here, if I can. Okay. And I'll just start taking things out and see what we have. There's lots of stuff in here. I'm excited. And this is usually by C.R. Gibson? Yeah, C.R. Gibson are usually all the products. And this is nice. This is a set of binder clips by, and it says X&O Paper Goods. Always great to have. No complaints there whatsoever. There's tape in the way here. Let's see what this next item is. This looks like, oh, a nice bookmark. Nice. Definitely something I can use. So it's right here before I get into opening it. Oh, this is really cute. It's I wonder if it's, no, that smells like real leather. Like real leather. Bookmark with a little bit of a gold bottom and then a little Pom Pom on it. Oh, that's really nice. Book hangover. So I guess you hang that over so you know where your page is. Okay, I'm happy to get that. Right now I'm using like a paper bookmark, so I think I'll replace with that. Oh, what should I do next? We'll pull this out right here. And this is 2 pencils and a pouch. This is really cute. What does that say? Flourish. Okay, so let's unzip. And there is a little bit of cardboard in here for it to hold its shape, which you could leave in there or take out. It comes with 2 pencils, a floral, and a stripe. Cute little. If you didn't want to use it for pencils, this would be great to put like eyeliners in, mascaras. So you can make this part of your makeup collection. If I could get it re-zipped. Yes, the zip is a little tough, but sometimes you can just put soap. But that's really cute. Soap on that, and it'll help ease up. I'm just going to move some of this back here because it's going to start to fall. So next is Sassy and Classy X&O Paper Goods. Bonjour, Love All, and Heart. They're little cards, like, you know, note cards to send out. And these are taped, so I'm going to leave them taped just because I do love stuff like that. And what is this? From C.R. Gibson, a Notepad Caddy. This is a 5x7 notepad, 100 sheets. You can see the nice little box. And then, you know, you put it on your desk and here, you know, so you can get the piece of paper. That's really nice. That'll come in handy doing YouTube, you know, jot down ideas, all that kind of stuff. Oh, this is an extraordinary one. And this is a notebook. This is really cute. Like this. Okay, there's still 2 items that look pretty phenomenal. I haven't even looked at them yet. Oh, it has a nice little tie on it. I don't know if I want to untie it. Do you have to untie it? No, you can slip it up. I don't want to have to untie their pretty bow. So, you know, soft back. Oh, look how pretty the pages are. So just a cute little notebook to keep, you know, if you like to jot, like some people like to jot down their dreams, ideas for, just for anything, if you craft or you know, for YouTube, really just for anything, shopping list. You can keep it in your kitchen, keep it on your desk to remind you to do certain things, you know, as like a little reminder. But that's really adorable. I like that. So we'll save that paper. 2 more things, and we'll get rid of this bag here. Oh, I don't know which one to show first. So this is another notebook, and this is a spiral bound one. And this is X&O Paper Goods. Oh, this is real pretty. Nice speckled front, and then just all different. And these pages have the little perforations so you can tear them out. This is really cute. Now, this is definitely something I would rather use. I love spiral because I love when you can have a book that opens flat, that you're not bound. So that's really adorable. And then this is from C.R. Gibson also, black and white, nice gold pull, and it's a zip. Wow, that, and it's like a tassel, and that's a nice hefty zip. And what is this, like another journal? Yes. Look at this. Beautiful pink inside, and then just all kinds of pages. So how nice is this to have? I think this is lovely. And it does look like you can take this out. Yes, this does come out. So it's just a plain, you know, plain bound thing. If you wanted to replace it, once that is used up, you could replace it, or you know, depending on some of the size of some of like these tablets, some of them are so small that maybe this could be a good holder for a tablet. But that is a unique idea right there. It's a beautiful zipper and pull. I mean, very strong, not chintzy by any means. Get it around that book edge there, because I didn't put the book back in properly. That's a nice zipper. Yeah, but it's just not sitting right. I don't want to break it. Yeah, the book caught the zipper. Probably would have to. Yeah, I don't want to ruin it. I'm trying to get it all the top. Okay, so there you go. So beautiful tassel that is, you know, still bound, but that is really cute. So we have that notebook, this notebook, this notebook. So we've got 3 notebooks and cards, and a little pencil case with the 2 pencils, the paper, the binder clips, and then the little bookmark, $19.99. I have purchased cards like this in the past, and these easily sell $5.99, $7.99, dependent. And, you know, stuff like this, you know, you could pick it up at TJ Maxx or Ross for a few dollars, but, you know, this stuff starts to add up. You know, books are not cheap, and something like this is probably a little bit more expensive because this feels like nice leather. This is not plastic or cheap. It actually smells like leather. So I would say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, just as they promise, and definitely worth $19.99. Do I think it's worth $100? No. I could search these out Sometimes I can go on their actual site, or sometimes I use Amazon as just like a guide if I can find prices for everything. Some months I can't, but I definitely think this is a great value for $19.99 on a bi-monthly basis. I would not want to receive this every month, because then you're overwhelmed with notebooks and papers and stuff like that. But for this, for every other month, this is perfect. I can share some of these in giveaways, and, you know, I don't ever mind having notebooks. They're great to keep in your car in case you need it. Great to keep in your purse in case you need a paper and a pen or a pencil. You know, I always I have a little journal paper in my like center console. There's always one in my handbag. I have a pen in my car. In my door, I have like an old tissue cup that came, and it fits right in the door cup holder that I keep pens in, so that if they were to leak, they don't get anywhere. And if you need a pen or a pencil and paper real fast for anything, you know, while you're driving, it's right at hand. And in your purse is always a good thing. You know, you're out and about and you want to stop at the store, you can quick open up your little journal and write down things that you want to stop for at the store so you can get in and out. I just think that their paper is always, you know, paper is expensive, and it's always a great thing to get in a box. So tell me what you think of Confetti Collection box. I love this, and I'm happy to have it, and we'll always probably get this. I think this is one of the better ones. And then my inspo box, you don't get this kind of stuff. You get other stuff, but they're still lifestyle boxes, and I like them because they're very affordable. So I hope everyone's doing well and getting a good start off to this new year for 2021. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.